Hello students, we know the first type, second type of partial differential equation and how you solve the complete integral, singular integral of that type. Now we see standard format, third, type third, partial differential equation of the form f of z pq is equal to 0, where p is equal to dou z by dou x and q is equal to dou z by dou y. Now, this equation is of the type where x and y are absent. So, those equations which do not contain x and y means f of z pq is equal to 0. Now, here we have to find the complete solution or complete integral of this type. Now, what is the procedure for finding the complete solution of this type f of z pq is equal to 0? Suppose f of z pq is equal to 0. So, to solve or to find the complete solution of such type of equations, so you put capital X is equal to small x plus ay, where a is any constant. Now, you assume that z is equal to f of capital X, where capital X is x plus ay. So, is equal to f of x plus ay is a solution of 1. So, what is your assumption? Z is equal to f of x or f of x plus ay is a solution of this one. So, it is a solution means it satisfies that equation. Then, p is equal to, by your definition or symbol, p is equal to dou z by dou x, small x, this. So, this can be written as dou z by dou capital X into dou capital X by dou small x. So, but what is x? Capital X is equal to x plus ay, and derivative of capital X with respect to small x is 1 and derivative of ay with respect to x is 0. Therefore, 1. Therefore, dz by dx become dou z by dou x into 1. Now, here you observe that z is a function of single variable capital X. So, partial derivative become ordinary derivative. So, this can be written as dz by dx. Therefore, p is equal to dz by dx. Similarly, we find q. Q is equal to dou z by dou y. Then this can be written as dou z by dou capital X into dou capital X by dou y. So, what is x? X is equal, capital X is equal to small x plus ay, and its derivative with respect to y. So, derivative of x small x with respect to y is 0 and ay means a into 1. Therefore, is equal to dou z by dou x into a, or is equal to a into dz by dx, because again z is a function of single variable capital X. So, partial derivative become ordinary derivative. Therefore, a into dz by dx. Then you substitute the values of p and q in equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes f of z. Value of p is dz by d capital X, comma q means a into dz by dx. So, this is a partial differential equation of first order, and it can be solved by integrated or by any method, and you find the complete solution of the given partial differential equation f of z pq is equal to 0. Now, we solve such type of equation. Find the complete solution of find example. Find the complete solution of z is equal to pq. Now you observe that z is equal to pq. The x and y are absent. So it is of the form third. F of z pq is equal to 0, and you apply this procedure to find the complete solution or complete integral. So given partial differential equation is z is equal to pq. Now what is your assumption? Z is equal to f of x. So you put x is equal to x plus ay. Therefore, you write up to same. Z is equal to x plus ay. Z is equal to f of x is equal to f of x plus ay is the solution of 1. Same procedure. Then P is equal to dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x means this dz by dx, and Q is equal to a into dz by dx. Then put P is equal to dz by dx and Q is equal to a into dz by dx in 1. We get. So you substitute this in 1. So what you get? You observe. Therefore 1 becomes z is equal to P. What is P? P is dz by dx into, what is Q? A into dz by dx. Or this can be written as a into dz by dx and its square. Therefore z is equal to this. Again this can be written as dz by dx and its square is equal to z upon small a. Again this can be written as dz by dx, taking square root on both sides, or dz by dx is equal to square root of z upon a, or root z upon root a. You know the properties of this. Root z upon root a. Again this can be written as dz by dx is equal to root z upon root a, can be written as root a into dz by dz upon this, by cross multiplication root z is equal to dx, or root a or a raised to 1 by 2 you can write into dz, or root z can be written as z raised to 1 by 2, and 1 upon z raised to 1 by 2 can be written as z raised to minus 1 by 2 into dz is equal to dx. So a square means root a means a raised to 1 by 2. Therefore integrating on both sides we get, integrating on both sides we get root a is constant, or a raised to 1 by 2, or you can write root a as it is, into z raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by z raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to integration of 1 dx means capital X plus some constant of integration. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2. Therefore z raised to 1 by 2 root a into z raised to 1 by 2 is equal to upon 1 by 2. 1 upon 1 by 2 means 2. Therefore 2 into root a into z raised to 1 by 2 is equal to x plus c. But what is x? X is equal to small x plus ay. Therefore this can be written as, next step, 2 into root a into z raised to 1 by 2 is equal to, x means small x plus ay plus constant of integration, or a root a means a raised to 1 by 2. So if you take square on both sides, what do we get? 4 is square means 4a z raised to 1 by 2 and square means z is equal to x plus ay plus c and whole square. Therefore, x plus ay plus c whole square is equal to 4az. So, which is required? Complete solution of the given partial differential equation z is equal to pq. So, in this way, you can solve more examples if the equation is of the form f of z, p, q is equal to 0. Thank you.